Okay, let's show you how to connect the chiller and the sealing machine. You can see this inlet connect the inlet and the outlet connect the outlet, and then the power plug connect this. So the chiller now is working. From SIPUXIN machinery. Today I will introduce this tube filling and sealing machine. First, let's start. Okay, the first step we will to adjust this chiller. Turn on this button. You can see this chiller is working now, and this is the actual temperature. This is the setting temperature. When you want to set the temperature, you should turn on this and to low to high, and this confirm. You can see now this setting temperature is 21, and then 20.8. Okay, let's show you how to adjust this sealing machine. First, you will to change this model and meet your tube, and then adjust the whole truck. You can see this. To turn off this screw and turn off this screw, and then to adjust this truck high and low. Turn on this stroke button and to change this model. You can see, very easy. Okay, let's show you how to adjust this tube hopper. First, you can let your tube this and adjust the paste. When your tube are too long, you can adjust this. Come out is too short to come in. To adjust this screw, and then to adjust this hopper head. Turn off this, and you can adjust the hopper higher and lower. To adjust this, can let the hopper angle higher or lower. When the tube put on the hopper, you can adjust this paste to higher or lower. And then adjust this putting function. Let the tube can able to throw out it easily. Okay, and last, to adjust this function from this, to turn off this. To turn off this and adjust this nearby this hopper, just like this, nearby, not too high or too low. And then tighten it. You can see this is okay. Okay, let's show you how to adjust this pressing function. First, you should to turn on this press tube button, and then turn on this jog button. You can see this tube is loaded in the model. Then you can, when the pressing function in the lowest point, you must be to adjust this to turn off this screen. You can see, adjust this screen. To suitable the tube height, and then to turn on. Then to adjust this toothpaste to meet the tube size. Turn on this, turn on this out, or near, to adjust meet the tube size. Okay, now let's show you how to adjust this searching mark function. You can see this tube has the mark, and then you load this tube into the model, and then adjust the mark together with the green light. You can see the mark is together with the green light, and then click this button about to secret. You can see this is okay, and then meet the mark and the red light together. This is together. Okay, then click this button. You can see this orange light is stop, and then meet the mark not together with the light, and then click this button. Okay, you can see this light open is okay. When we let the mark meet together with the light, you can see this orange light is open. Okay, let's test this. To turn on this search mark button, and then click this button. You can see this mark and are together with this light, so this is okay. Then let's adjust this cleaning function. Turn on this blowing material button and click this. You can see these are together. If you want to let this higher or lower, you can use this. And then you can adjust this height. How to adjust this filling nozzle. First, when you want to adjust this height, you should let the platform in the highest point. If you are in the highest point, you can adjust this. To turn off these two screws. Turn off these two screws, and then adjust this tube open into this nozzle about 0.5 to 1 centimeter, and then tighten the screw. Okay, and then we will adjust the filling range. Adjust the high or low. Okay, let's show you how to adjust this heating function. You can see, just like the filling function, you should adjust this. When the platform will be the highest point, you should adjust this. Just like the filling function. Then let's show you how to adjust this sealing function. The sealing function. When you want to this sealing more bigger, you can adjust these two screws to turn off and then to lower. If you want to this sealing part to be short, you want to adjust these two screws and then to be higher. Okay, let's jog the button. And see this. Then we will adjust this cutting function to cut the extra sealing part. If you want to cut more sealing part, you should adjust this two screws and put this function lower. If you want to let this sealing, if you want to cut less sealing part, you should to adjust this to screw and then put this cutting function higher. Then to adjust this throughout, just like this filling function and this heating function, you should when this platform be in the highest point, you should to adjust this. To turn off this screw and then adjust this high and lower. At last, to tighten this screw. Okay, now we adjust all the function about this sealing machine. So let's test this.